Lingering malodors and unreliable drains can cause an unpleasant experience for your restroom guests. Eliminate foul aromas and maintain sink and floor drain lines with State Industrial's Restroom Program. Our local account managers will help you develop a well-rounded program that provides air and drain care solutions to any restroom, no matter the size. Neutralize troublesome odors at the source and leave behind a pleasant fragrance with an automated scenting system such as the State Fragrance Factory. High usage areas around your restroom may cause additional malodors. With magic clips for toilet bowls and magic mats for urinals, your restroom will easily get the extra boost it needs. Prevent drain backups before they happen with Destroy. Buildup and clogs can be unsightly and can require costly repairs. Using Destroy once a month in sink drains will help to maintain them at full flow capacity. Stop the growth of uric acid in urinals that leads to malodors and congested drain lines. Routinely using A-Salt on a monthly basis provides the preventative treatment and assurance you are looking for. Deliver a pleasant experience for your guests by eliminating dry drains that causes sewer gas to fill restrooms with unpleasant odors using State's Shut Your Trap Dry Trap Treatment. Place hand soap at every sink to encourage hand washing with our eco-friendly solution, Ecolution Foaming Institutional Hand Cleaner. Keep Gentle Fresh Gel Alcohol or alcohol-free sanitizer stationed inside and outside restrooms for guests' convenience. Talk to your local state account manager today about how our program can help improve the quality of your restroom for employee and guest satisfaction. State's Restroom Program, another great option from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.